Today I plan to explain word neither nor. How to use neither nor in sentence. Neither we can pronounce this word in both ways, neither or neither. Neither. Neither or neither. In both ways we can pronounce this word neither. Neither is used as a conjunction. This structure neither nor is used to connect the same kind of word or phrase in the sentence. What this word does, it helps connecting two words or phrases to make negative statement. That is what it means. It helps to make words or phrase to make that sentence using these words or phrase to make this words make the sentence to negative by connecting two or more phrases. That is what it means. Neither makes a negative statement. It gives a negative. Like we say not, instead of that, it using neither, it connects words and phrase together to make negative statement. Two people or things. It can be things, people. Like that. Neither Mark nor his wife is very tall. Neither Mark nor his wife very tall. It means Mark also not tall and his wife also not tall. Both were not tall. They are not tall. Neither. When we add neither, it makes this sentence negative. Neither Mark or his wife nor his wife is very tall. Neither Mark nor his wife is very tall. That it means Mark also not tall and his wife also not tall. Negative. It gives negative to this statement. Both were not tall. My sister neither drinks nor smokes. This person's sister doesn't drink and doesn't smoke. Doesn't drink and smoke. So my sister neither drinks nor smokes. So she doesn't do this. She doesn't have this bad habits. These both are habits. She doesn't have this bad habits like whether drinking or smoking. She doesn't do. My sister neither drinks nor smokes. She didn't do. She doesn't do these bad habits, drinking, taking alcohol or smoking. That is what it means. And next one, neither my friends nor the bookstore has the book. Neither my friends nor the bookstore has the book. His friends also not having this book, and at bookstore also he didn't get that book, have this book. So he didn't find this book with his friends or at bookstore. Neither my friends nor the bookstore has the book. With his friends also not having, and at bookstore also they not have this book. They don't have this book. What this person is searching, that book he didn't get from his friends or at bookstore. Next one, neither the employees nor the boss was at work. It means employees also, workers also not at workplace, and boss also not at workplace. So both the employees and the boss were not at workplace. So nobody was there at work. In simple way to say, nobody was at workplace. Neither the employees nor the boss was at work. Next one, neither Susan nor her friends are going to go to the party tonight. Susan and her friends are not going to the party tonight. There is a party at night, today night, and that party Susan or her friends are not going to visit that party. And none of them would have gone. this party. Susan also not going, and her friends also not going. Neither Susan nor her friends are going to go to the party tonight. Neither my father nor my mother went to university. Both his parents didn't go to university. They didn't go. Neither my father, his father also didn't go, and his mother also didn't go to university. Neither my father nor my mother went to university. Both his parents didn't go to university. Maybe they are at home or somewhere, don't know, but it has, when we put neither, this statement has become negative. So his father also didn't go, and his mother also didn't go to the university. I hope you understand this, how to use neither nor in sentence to make negative statement and to connect same kind of words or phrase. Yeah, to make a negative statement, that time we use neither nor. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.